Tasha, and welcome back to Beanie Fun Channel. Today we are going to be doing a baking contest. You hear me? A baking contest. I am so excited to see who wins. Let's get started. Here are the competitors. My name is Safari, and I'm going to win. My name is Dottie, and I'm going to win.
Someone's gonna be making cupcakes and someone's gonna be making ice cream. Let's do this.
So stressful. This is so stressful. This is fast. We only have 5 minutes. I'm done my cupcake. Here it is. I think it looks delicious, but maybe it's in the ice cream, and it looks fabulous. It looks like everyone's done. Let's go to the judging round. Let's go. Here are the judges. Try my food first. Try my food first. Cupcake. Try it. Okay, we'll try it. I'll rate it out. This is delicious. I love it. It is so yummy. So yummy. Next person, and on the side, who's the winner at the end? Mine is an ice cream. Let's try. That is delicious. How am I going to decide? I know who the winner is. The winner is Dottie. Woo! You get to keep your ice cream and your cupcakes, and I want that recipe. The winner is Dottie. Yay! I hope you enjoyed my video today. I loved it. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and click that bell. Bye!